Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern region. First, let me start with Kebbi State. The Kebbi State governor has released over 54 million naira for the payment of dowries of 300 girls in the state. Now, the Sokoto State government has announced plan to expand its Ramadan feeding program to support vulnerable people in the state. We could remember last 2 weeks ago, the governor of Jigawa State has released over 4 billion naira for feeding of people in the state during the Ramadan season. This has raised question among the northerners that how government can release such amount of money to support people during the Ramadan season. And also in Kebbi State, the governor has released over 54 million naira. There is a lot of things to do with this money in the northern regions because there is lack of basic amenities. We have lack of securities, lack of electricity, unemployment, wedding of ladies, and Ramadan feeding is not a government responsibilities. So the question is, this feeding will continue after the Ramadan? You can tell us your view or you can share your view in the comment sections. Now, insecurity. Gunmen suspected to be bandits invaded Wase local government area of Plateau State on Monday morning. An abducted man, his wife, and their child. One person sustained gunshot wounds. Similarly, the Gombe State Police Command has confirmed the killing of Reverend Balagaladima of Equa Church on early Sunday morning. He was murdered by unidentified gunmen. Still insecurity. Boko Haram commander has threatened resident of Banki in Borno State. He threatened the peoples of Banki if they refuse to repent before the Ramadan, they will be slaughtered like goats. Now, politics. The former governor of Kaduna State, Nasiru El-Rufai, has dismissed claims that he refused to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu during the 2023 general elections. He is stating that he moved from these such allegations. Similarly, former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has visited Obasanjo as politicians begins early preparations for the 2027 general elections. Atiku's convoy arrived at Obasanjo's presidential library in Abeokuta on Monday. In politics, Nigeria's political party has backed on creations of more states in Southwest, Northeast, and South-South. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels. You can also follow us in Facebook and X. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.